Come with us to Siquijor. Let's go. Okay, so we're flying to Dumaguete and from there we're gonna take a ferry to Siquijor. From Dumaguete, it's actually a 45-minute ferry ride.
Sorry.
Dili na halata mo anak jud raman ko para makalasta.
Sexy mo guys.
Thank you. Now we're actually in Siquijor and I can't believe this is what the water in their port looks like. Grabe. Okay, first things first, we are going to eat. It's our first day in Siquijor and it's actually past 4 in the afternoon already. We chose to eat here at Tagbalayon. I saw it on TikTok. So, yeah. So we actually ordered this one. It's their pork liempo. We also had calamares on the side. And we also ordered sweet and sour pork. The food was actually good. Actually, mas bet ko yung sweet and sour pork na in-order ni Francis. Yung liempo was just right. Parang typical liempo lang. Pero yung calamares, perfect siya. Di siya maganit. Super sarap niya. Downside lang siguro is the rice. Hindi siya yung buhaghag na kanin. Medyo malagkit siya. So, ayun. We didn't really do much on the first day. We basically just ate because we arrived late na. So after eating dinner, we rested for a short while sa guest house namin and then nagpunta kami ng JJ's Backpackers to chill and drink pero napaaga din yung punta namin so wala pa masyadong tao. Ending, umuwi din kami ng maaga. Good morning! Maghahanap kami ng breakfast. It's 5:45 in the morning in Siquijor. Sabi ko, good morning po, maayong buntag. Sa kala niyo, Bisaya ako. Sa to, ma'am. Inisip ko na lang, saan ka, ma'am? Ayan, tapos inas ko kung pwedeng mag-breakfast. So it's 7 a.m. and our first agenda for today's tour is at Pitogo Cliffs. Super swerte, wala masyadong pila. Number 2 kami for the drone shots.
Oh that I think you like. This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side.
Kuya, hi ka. Okay, so our tour ended early at 2 p.m. and we decided to eat here at Dolce Amore. It's actually recommended by my FA friend, Ma'am Nicole. And guys, oh my god, their Italian food is so good. Like, as in, worth it siya for its price. Ito, I think, yung pinaka-pricey na nakainan namin, pero sobrang, as in, sobrang sulit niya, Like, pag bumalik ako ng Siquijor, kakain ulit ako dito. Ganun level siya. Last day in Siquijor, so we decided to just have breakfast at Tipsy Bar before we leave the island.
Tell me lies, tell me painted truths, anything at all to keep me close to you. Pull me under the way you do. Tonight I wanna drown in an ocean of you.